All right, Kyle's question is up next. It says, the state of Colorado offers a dollar for dollar match on 529 funds, up to $500 per year for the first 5 years of your child's life. So where would that fall in the financial order of operations?
Oh, this is a trick question.
Yeah, so maybe you can talk about where 529 typically falls and then share some thoughts about how you would think about that.
Yeah, so when you put money into a 529, what's that money actually set aside for? That money's set aside for college, right? Like it's for education. Or I guess technically it could be for private school, K through 12. But the idea is it's going to pay for an expense for someone else that you think you might likely be on the hook for at some point in time. Now, we love free money and we think that free money is amazing, but this is my stance. I want to see if you agree with this, Brian. Free money going into a 529 is not the same as free money going into your retirement account, because those are not dollars that are going to pay for your future financial independence. They're just kind of juicing the pot to help you pay for a future expense that you're going to incur when your child goes off to college. So in my mind, I think that would still fall into the same place that 529s normally fall. It's like a step 7, step 8 type thing. But when there's that free money on the table, I would try to get there as quickly as possible, because I don't think it has to be an either or. I'd love to see a scenario where you're doing both so that you're still getting that free money.
Kyle, I love the mentality there. That's a financial mutant mindset for sure. When you hear the opportunity to get some free money, your ears immediately perk up. But we do need to make sure that you get things in the right order of operation. There are no retirement loans. There are student loans, but we also understand a financial mutant doesn't want their children paying student loan interest. Especially if you came through that yourself, you're like, how do I not put that burden on my children? But let's make sure we also get you to step 8. There's a reason when you go to moneyguy.com/resources and download your own free copy of the financial order of operations, we put the cap on there from graduation is because we know when we're prepaying future expenses or abundance goals, as I like to call them, this is something that makes a lot of sense to make sure you got your oxygen mask on first, meaning you're saving for your own retirement, and then we're transitioning and focusing on getting those free dollars for your kids' college. So try to get to saving and investing 20 to 25% of your gross income ASAP, so then we can go and maximize those 529 opportunities, because they are awesome. I will tell you, having a daughter in college right now, I have been leaning heavily on the part of her tuition that's not paid by scholarships. We've been funding her housing and her education off of those 529s, and it's been very, very helpful. So I commend you for the thought, but let's make sure we do it in the right order of operations, and the foo is your friend. So respect the foo.
Respect the food.
Man, got so excited the mouth didn't want to work. Respect the food. There it is. Boom.
There it is.